In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Password, Passkeys and Accounts. Now select Open under Google. And finally, click on Google Password Manager. Now tap on any password you wanna get rid of and enter your screen lock. Then tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!